Everyone, my name is Mohammed Al and today I'm going to talk about Linux migration and usage in banking environment. With the invention of IT solutions, banks use computer software to manage their business, including daily transactions, customers' data, and other relevant business areas. As banks deals with monetary and valid customer personal and private data, hence safety and security is the prime motive of the bank authorities while utilizing IT solution in their business cycle. The past few years have seen substantial growth in internet-based banking. So banking facilities are even now accessible through tiny devices like tabs on smartphones. This creates serious security requirements. This has been made possible by Linux introduction to banking sector. Linux is the most secure operating system in the world and is best known for its reliable, secure, and multi-user solutions. Now I'm going to talk about the migration or the challenges before migration to Linux. Everyone knows that there is a huge competition in the market. Any bank will want to strengthen its position as one of the country's leading banks in terms of customer numbers, credit, and deposit value and profitability. So as to establish itself and set itself apart from market competition, the banks need to offer customers high quality products and rapid secure transactions at an attractive price. There is also a high number of customer and transactions. Due to this high number of customers and transaction volume which grew each year, it became a challenge for many banks to ensure the highest possible service levels while keeping administration costs and expenses and effort to a minimum. There is a need of simplified and scalable infrastructure. So as the bank grows its needs and to a simplified and scalable instruction rather than managing an expensive and complex instruction, as it wants to reduce the cost of reducing IT services to its customers and users without sacrificing availability of performance. So this can be seen as a challenge because many companies underestimate the importance of the IT section. So if they see that, oh, we have a huge market, we have a huge customer, so we cannot do this migration, although it will benefit them in the long run, they might stop or they might not do that migration to Linux. So here is the solution to the problem of migration or the challenges of migration. IT teams in various banks have decided to integrate its information resources to a single centralized platform based on the IBM system Z technology. Those banks are listed below: Bank of the Brazil, the Bank of Turkey, the Bank of New Zealand, and Bank of Turkey, and Bankia. IBM proposed IBM InfoSphere data stage software running on the IBM System Z servers. This is a core model of IBM InfoSphere information server software, which is used to collect and integrate customer data from multiple sources system and to ensure the reliability and consistency of information across the entire business and bank system. A good example is what happened in Bankia in Spain. Bankia was like a migration or an alliance by 7 banks in Spain that decided to just be one bank, and they called themselves Bankia, and they had this issue with how could we get the user of those 7 banks into one system without any problem or any issue. Some of the banks were using Windows, some were using Linux. They all have different softwares, but what they did is they used IBM's and like IBM proposed solution to the problem, and it worked really well without any issue. All of the bank users, all of the bank accounts were moved to a single system without any issue or any problem whatsoever. And this is all that I wanted to present today, and thank you all so much for listening, and have a good day.